with the voltage display plugged in up in the cigarette lighter in the front, this van seems so much more alive. Like it has a heartbeat. Like you just come back in, it's on. It's like, oh, what's that? It's like it's the heartbeat of the, and it's green. So it's like, yeah, I'm at a good level. Here I am. If this changed to red when the voltage became too low, let's see, 11.7. Yeah, or just add 11 volts. If the numbers turn to red and it was like, no, yeah, you're in the 11s. That's not good. That would be sweet. But yeah, no, I really enjoy this. It's a good little tool, kind of too, if you have a 12 volt. Oh, it just dropped from 18 volts. There you go. And so I believe this means the battery's full. I thought it was an error, but hopefully this thing's not pumping this too full. So this is the van voltage. This plug is always on in the Sprinter. I left this thing in all night and it was 0.5 and I woke up 0.4 and now it's saying 0.2. That's weird. So 0.3 or 0.4, yeah, it's weird. So I'm just going to connect this. Wow. Wow, and you can see that. So the unfortunate part about this 15, wow. That's weird. See, like, is that okay? Because it's not 14, it's 15. The unfortunate part about this scenario is that this battery is what's actually through this terminal of the battery is actually what is going to connect to the engine battery. So it's kind of like, is it like using this battery to charge that one, and the solar is charging this one. So this one is taking charge and giving charge. So, and then the house battery, well, and then the whole van, the entire van electrical system is now connected to this other system, you know. So that is the downside. But yeah, so this battery, rather than worrying about it dying, it's taking on 15 volts right now. It's through this wire. Wild. Simply acquiring my tripod. Just having to jump up a step and then walk back and kind of bend and reach and then jump back down that step every single time. This way I'm just fully standing up, just open one door and then reach. those hinges. Thanks, Nate. Yes, so 19 full months since I've been able to sit like this. Months ago. This thing still going?